Hello everybody. This time we have a Seat Ibiza 1.2 TSI. We're gonna do timing chain change today. Because it's very noisy. Unfortunately, I can't start it up to show you. To show you the noise, because I already drained the oil. I took the mud guard off. Alternator belt is off. Also, this pipe is disconnected from the sump because we're gonna have to remove the sump as well. Yeah. I have a bolt here for the air filter box. Torx 30. We remove this pipe at the end of the camshaft because that's where we're gonna use our tool to lock the camshaft in position. Yeah, we just remove this like that. Maybe show it a bit closer. Yeah. Right. We just removed all these hose pipes. Put them here to stay out of the way. And there. Now we're gonna remove this cover. Torx 30, of course. I'm gonna try taking the sump off without removing the exhaust. I don't think I'm gonna succeed, but I'll try. So first I have to take this metal plate here away from here, and then all the small bolts over there. For these two bolts, one from there and one from there, I'm using a 5mm hex key with a bolt end because it's on an angle. Yes, I managed to take it out, take the sump out without removing the exhaust. I only removed it from here and pry it down just a little bit. And that was it. Let's see. That's the oil. That's the chain for the oil pump. We'll carry on now. Right, now I'm removing this plug from here, which is for the, that's the hole where we're gonna put our locking tool for the crankshaft. Right, this is our toolkit. So it's the first time I'm using it, so let's see how it goes. I believe this is the one for the crankshaft. So this is our pin. We screw it in all the way. And then return crankshaft until it stops against our pin. And this should be our crankshaft position. And we'll check at the camshaft now. Now for the camshaft locking hole, we also have this plug. Unfortunately, the toolkit I got, it doesn't have the right tool for the camshafts, sorry, and I just ordered another one. I'll have to wait for a bit until it comes. So we'll carry on with whatever else we can do until I get that tool. Just take this pulley out. Right, now that we have the tool, proper one, let's fit it in here. Right, now the tool is fitted in position with the bolt on. We'll check again on the crankshaft. Tool is in. Turn it a little bit. Sorry about the light, but it got dark here. Now we can take the tensioner out with a 27 spanner. the tensioner. Now we're gonna use an M6. Take this off from the guide rail. Same with the other one. And the second one is out. The main chain is out now. Right, now the oil pump chain is new and it's on. You can see how tension this is compared to the old one. Now the chain had to be kept soaked in oil for at least half an hour. That's what the instructions were saying. Put the bolt, but we're not gonna tighten it now. First we're gonna put the guides, then make sure everything, crankshaft is locked. Well, crankshaft is gonna be locked anyway. And then tension it, and then we're gonna tighten this bolt. These two are just 18 Newton meters. So I've just checked the crankshaft to make sure it's in the right position, and now we put the tensioner on. So that was 50 Newton meters. Now we have to do 90 degrees. Right, now I'm gonna take all the locks off. I'll spin the engine 2 rotations, and then it's all fitting everything back in reverse of dismantling. Right, everything is fitted now. I just have to put the coolant inside. All fitted. We'll crank it. Sounds very nice. If you did like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.